visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So tignan natin kung ano mga nangyayari dito sa inyong buhay-buhay. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So pwede pong mag-resonate sa inyo ang buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. Please believe in the divine timing dahil this is a timeless reading, no? Wala po siyang date. So whenever you see the video, the message is meant to find you. So magsimula na tayo with the Justice, the Eight of Swords, and the Strength card. It felt like you finally found the strength to look for your own power, no? Siguro there are chances na either minamaliit ka ng taong ito or hindi ka masyadong binibigyan ng pansin. It felt like you're not valuable enough, no, enough for this person. So feeling ko medyo matagal-tagal namang nangyari itong situation na parang you're under, no? Parang na-dominate ka masyado ng taong ito. I hope na this is more of energetic. Kasi meron din ako nakikita, dadaanan ko na pero I am not going to dwell on that kasi ayoko mag-focus sa physical, no, sa physical na pamamaraan. For a few numbers of you, I hope that this is a very small scale, no, ng percentage. I feel like you were battered, no? It could be battered wife, battered husband, battered wag lang buttered shrimp. Nagugutom tayo doon, no? What I'm trying to say here is, I'm just trying to make it a little lighter na parang in literal form, sinasaktan kayo ng physical, no? Hopefully, kasi nandito na tayo sa you already found this friend. Ang gusto kong sabihin doon sa mga nakamove forward na, kudos to you, no? Doon sa mga na-experience pa lang currently itong physical pain, which is a physical attack, no? Yung pabubugbog na inyong either asawa, malala kung hindi pa kayo, no, kinakasal at nandun na agad yung mga pabubugbog. Napaka-controversial. I think that there's something happen in here na pinatawad niya. But anyway, buhay niya yon. Wala tayong pakialam. Bigla ko lang naisip. Ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na nandoon sa sitwasyon ngayon, right now, is hopefully that you find the strength, no? At saka, first and foremost, una nating isasalba yung sarili natin. Mangyari lamang, no? Kung kayo mismo, right now, is nakaka-experience ng ganito, i-pause nyo muna, no, yung panonood ng video kasi tarot reading is not going to help you, no? Go to the nearest authorities, no? May mga vowsy dyan, or kung lalaki ka naman, probably, sige, no? Hindi, it's very unusual for a person to, for a guy, for a man, to complain on that situation, pero you must also seek some help or seek some, you know, either this is more of a payo, no? Whether this is legalities, moralities, what have you, you need to, no? Then balikan nyo na lang ako, no? Unahin nyo muna yung sarili nyo bago yung bago tong video na ito, no? Save yourself first. But anyway, let's go back to the reading. Dinaanan ko lang yun, ha? Um, kasi I feel like kailangan kong sabihin eh, no? May mga nafe-feel akong na-experience yung ganong situation as of the moment. But with the Justice card, the Eight of Swords, the Strength card, yung iba nga sa inyo parang um, they went into a legal battles. No, the Justice and the Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords signifies also incarceration. So probably baka either pinakulong mo or nakulong itong person na ito. It could be their karma. Probably hindi rin ikaw ang gumawa pero nakakakita tayo dito ng um somewhat no mas malaki nga yung gravity with the strength card no ano nangyayari sa person na ito. So it felt like no kung hindi man ikaw ang gumawa ng justice for you or you didn't seek for justice, I feel like the universe parang look for justice para sa iyo. With the Eight of Swords, this could be again nakakulong itong taong ito na gumawa sa ng masama. Or let's say sa sobrang kahihiyan, hindi rin naglalabas ng bahay. One thing is for sure, maliit ang mundo nila ngayon. With the Strength card, so ang nakikita natin dito, parang katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, yung gravity ng ginawa niya sa'yo is much greater doon sa nangyayari sa kanila ngayon. Now, I want to know why there's Eight of Swords in here because the King of Cups and the Ten of Wands. So parang feeling ko dahil hindi sila masyado nagsasalita or hindi nila, no? Parang nawalan sila ng boses to either explain the real thing. But with the Ten of Wands, parang kasi ngayon nahihirapan sila ngayon sa buhay. Of course, hindi naman tayo ganun kasamang tao not to actually wish, pray for someone's demise or someone else's downfall. Pero buntot mo, hila mo, no? Yun nga talaga yun. So, this person did something in one way or another, no? In one way or another, you're going to harvest it, no? Whether this is done by other people or by the event or sabihin natin destiny, no? Or mga pagkakataon na yan. With the Nine of Cups and the Nine of Wands and the Nine of Cups. So, nakikita natin dito, I feel like somewhat, meron ditong sabihin natin, you're wishing for actually getting out. Pwede rin ikaw itong nandito sa Eight of Swords. Getting out of this balalang senaryo, getting out of this parang kasing feeling mo hindi ka na makakalabas sa ganitong narcissistic kind of relationship. It felt like doon sa mga nakaalis na I feel like magsisimula na no I mean, the flow is already changing for a better opportunity with the Nine of Cups. I think that you want to achieve either more freedom or achieve a better relationship could be whatever it is that you're wishing. The Nine of Cups signifies the wish fulfillment kasi. Doon naman sa still in the situation, I feel like makakaalis ka rin naman dito with the Nine of Wands. Kasi the Ten of Wands is medyo somehow parang Eight of Swords din. Kaso ang Eight of Swords is made of steel. The Ten of Wands is made of woods, pero hindi siya nakapalibot, but more of nakapatong sa balikat mo. So which is more of a burden. Nine of Wands is removing, no? At least one less of a problem. Ika nga ni Miss Ariana Grande, no? I got basta ganon. One less problem without you. So, parang ganyan. Unti-unting nawawala, no? Tutulungan mo rin kasi yung sarili mo dito on how you gonna get out of it. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko, kung kayo'y nandito sa situation na ito, recently, it requires actions from you. Wag lang nating iasa basta mawawala ito, no? Parang sabihin natin, ay, parang pimple yan. Ayokong galawin, mawawala din naman yan, no? Right now, hindi yan ganun kadali. It requires a little action from you and it requires a lot of strength, courage, and also will, no? To probably realize that this connection is really not working for you anymore, no? You must seek for your own enlightenment, your own freedom, without Kasi parang, paano ka rin nga naman tutulungan ng universe if kung hindi mo tinutulungan yung sarili mo, no? Um, you have the power to actually get out of this. So, tulungan mo rin yung sarili mo. Katulad ng sabi ko, kung kayo nasa sitwasyon na ganito, mamaya nyo na ito panoorin, go ahead. Pumunta kayo for, some legal uh, um, advice, no? Para maliwanagan kayo. But then again, congratulations kasi you're getting out of this maliit na mundo din. Yeah, this is your reading. So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign. Pero bago yan, kung kayo'y nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. If you also have some personal questions, sa description box ng video na ito, there's a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question, no? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Or pwede rin naman lumabas ang zodiac sign ninyo. I am seeing Pisces, Leo is very dominant. Aries is here. Sagittarius is here. I am seeing I am seeing Gemini, like what I mentioned. Libra is here. I'm seeing Cancer is here. Aquarius is here. I am seeing Pisces is here. This is your reading. Maraming salamat po. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.